Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to get the new Instagram update. Now, if you're trying to get the new Instagram update of quick snap, location sharing and all of it, but you don't know how to get it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to make sure is that you are successfully connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, you may simply scroll from the top from your iPhone or from your Samsung, and you just need to open the Wi-Fi and you just need to connect it, or you may simply enable the mobile data on it to download it. So after that, you just need to open the App Store on your iPhone, whereas on Samsung you just need to open the Play Store, and from here you just need to click on the option of search, and at the search bar search Instagram. So after searching the Instagram, you just need to click on the option of update, which will be available like this. So click on the option of update and it will start updating your app, and after a few minutes you'll be able to get the new Instagram update on your device. On Samsung, you'll also see the option of update like this. So click on the option of update and you'll be able to get it too. So that's it. That's how you can get the new Instagram update on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.